Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus Mero. We'll delve into the distinct characteristics of each, helping you understand where one might outperform the other. Copper, a foundational metal, offers incredible conductivity. Mero, representing advanced engineered materials, provides specialized solutions for modern infrastructure. By examining their core strengths, you can make informed decisions for various applications. Copper stands out for its remarkable electrical conductivity, making it a top choice for wiring and electronics. It's also an excellent thermal conductor, efficiently moving heat in applications like radiators. Furthermore, copper naturally resists bacteria and viruses, offering hygienic benefits. This robust metal is incredibly durable, easily shaped, and can be recycled repeatedly without losing its quality. Mero systems, particularly access floors, excel in specialized environments. They provide superior fire protection, often using non-combustible mineral fiber or steel. These engineered solutions offer high structural strength, supporting significant weight in areas like data centers. Their design allows for flexible routing of numerous cables and easy access for maintenance, alongside good sound dampening qualities. Deciding between copper and Mero depends entirely on your project's specific needs. For superior electrical and thermal conductivity, copper is often the unmatched choice. However, for applications demanding excellent fire resistance, robust structural support, and adaptable infrastructure, Mero-engineered systems are highly advantageous. Always evaluate the environmental conditions and functional requirements to determine the optimal material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.